Before you write a book, before you design a cover, before you choose a font, you need to understand the frame that holds it all together. Because layout is invisible until it fails. When spacing feels off, when text looks cramped, when a book feels amateur, it's rarely the story, it's the structure. Let's step behind the curtain. This is where professional publishing begins. Trim is the final size of your book. It's the edge, the physical boundary where paper is cut. Everything inside this line survives. Everything outside it disappears. Trim defines the container. Margin is breathing room. It keeps text away from the edge. It gives the eye space to rest. Without margins, a page feels crowded, even when it isn't. Margin protects readability. Bleed extends beyond the trim. It ensures that background color or images reach the very edge after cutting. Without bleed, you risk white slivers at the border. Bleed protects precision. The gutter is the inner margin, where the pages fold and bind together. In thicker books, this space must grow. Otherwise, text disappears into the spine. Gutter protects access. The safe zone is where critical content should live. Headlines, page numbers, key images. Staying inside this area ensures nothing important gets trimmed, folded, or lost. Safe zones protect your message. Now watch what happens when a book grows. 40 pages, 80 pages, 120, 200. Gutter widens slightly, spine thickens. As page count increases, layout rules adjust. Margins shift, gutter expands, spine width changes. Structure evolves with scale. Publishing is mathematics as much as creativity. Structure doesn't limit creativity, it protects it. When you understand layout, you don't just design pages, you build trust. And readers feel that in the first 5 seconds.